If your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus is stuck on setup mode, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. The only way you can fix this issue is to do a force restart of your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button, and press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And once you do that, you will fix this issue. Now after you complete the setup process, then just connect your iPhone to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile network. Then go to Settings. In Settings, just tap on General and tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch and this will be fixed with the software update. But if you are facing this issue again and again, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix stuck on setup mode on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.